Hi, Jim Siebold here, sales and marketing for Hill Farm Condominiums. We're here on a beautiful, crisp fall day. Sitting on 22 acres and surrounded by 300 acres of conservancy is Hill Farm Condominiums, which you can see is well under construction in the background here. We're going to take some time and walk through and take a look. Behind me is the structural steel for the double-sided fireplace, which goes both on the lobby side in the club room. Especially on this crisp fall day, the fireplace will be a welcome feature with its floor-to-ceiling stones, which goes to a height of 32 feet. From the club room here, we stepped out onto the patio, and this patio is over 4,000 square feet. It overlooks the 300 acres of conservancy that surrounds this building that's in the Minnesota Land Trust, plus the 22 acres that we're sitting on here. And we'll have floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook this area. Some of the features of the outdoor patio space is that it'll have an outdoor kitchen, a dining area with a pergola, fireplace tables where you can enjoy a glass of wine and have a fun party atmosphere. This space is over 4,000 square feet and will accommodate probably more than 100 people. So it'll be a spectacular spot to stay for sunsets. And sunsets from here are incredible. You know, some people that are adjusting to the square footage from their large home to a smaller condominium space will really feel the advantages of having large amenity space for gathering, including not giving up their guest bedroom, because we'll have a guest suite right here behind us, which will feature a full bathroom and 2 queen beds. As the amenity space comes together, we'll keep you updated. Right now, all you can see is the structural steel, but the condos are completely framed up, and next we're gonna go take a look at that. I'm in a south-facing condo that's overlooking all of our preserve. In fact, from here, we can't see a single house. All we see is the preserve. And behind me will be the kitchen. This plan, like all the rest of our condos, will feature Cambria countertops, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, Anderson windows throughout, Kohler fixtures throughout, a very high-end finish for this luxury building. Thank you again for taking the time to walk through with us today. We're incredibly excited about this one-of-a-kind condominium building that'll be featured in North Oaks. Next time we'll have some more windows in, the roof will be on. We'll have a lot more to show you. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.